Hello and welcome. Let us see today's agenda. This is today's agenda. We will discuss science and technology, difference in between them, and one scientific concept, that is cloud and cloud computing. So now please let us start. Science. Science is basically pursuit of knowledge. This is a search for knowledge. Scientists generally study and search for knowledge that is not aimed for any specific target. This is just quest for knowledge. They just goes on searching and searching. This is called science. It is not related to any commercialization, any financial gains, etc. This is pure pursuit of knowledge. Let us look at the slides. Here it is said it is pursuit of knowledge, means just go after knowledge, just going after knowledge. And yes, neither it targets for commercial benefit nor any financial gains. So this is all about science. Now, what is technology? Technology basically is an application of science. It has some commercial benefit, it has a aim of financial gains. Scientists or technologists generally, with the help of science, build any specific technology, devices, etc. It is aimed at solving some real world issues like mobile phones, computers, etc. These are called technologies. This has been built to solve some real world problems, keeping in mind some objective. Basically, technology is built upon the very foundation of science. Say a mobile phone. In mobile phone, there are millions of science embedded in it. There are microchips, ICs, memory cards, programmable logic, etc. And scientists, when discovered those logics, etc., they never thought about such a device one day will be created. So that was pure science. And on the foundation of those knowledge, scientists have created technology to solve some real world issues. This is called technologies. Understood? So basically technology is application of science. Now let us see this concept, what is called cloud computing. First, see, cloud computing is a modern concept. Basically, cloud is collection of huge servers that is stored in data centers. When you search in the internet, say you are searching something in Google, basically, so when you are giving some command, some instruction to Google, it immediately pings it nearest servers, it nearest data centers, and data centers that create information for you. So all these things are happening in the cloud, in the atmosphere itself. It is being connected. You are giving some instruction sitting in your room, in your laptop, mobiles, and immediately the nearest data centers are connecting you. Generally, these data centers are owned by huge corporations, companies like Google's, IBM, etc. Users access those data centers. Any business organizations also did not to need or purchase their own hardware, software, etc. They just can use those servers. Probably that was different things. And users can store data on clouds, can access data, search it, store it. So all these things happening in real world is happening on cloud. You can't see that. That is happening in virtual world, like in cloud. So this communication, this process, this technology is called cloud computing. whatever is happening in internet, like YouTube, we are making videos, we are listening to videos, everything is happening on cloud. So I think concepts are being cleared. If you find it difficult in the first time, please refer it for multiple time. It will get easier. Basically, all these things we are connecting through internet, happening in the cloud, in the atmosphere, and this process is called cloud computing. So this is all for today. If you find it useful, please like it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.